In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage invoices in HubSpot effortlessly. Starting with navigating to the correct section, you'll want to access the Invoices tool within your HubSpot account. You'll begin by going to the Commerce section and selecting Invoices. For those of you who prefer shortcuts, there's an alternative route. You can also initiate creating an invoice directly from a contact, company, or deal record. This is done by heading to the specific record and locating the section dedicated to invoices. This flexibility allows you to streamline your workflow based on your current tasks. When you're ready to create a new invoice, simply click on Create Invoice. At this stage, HubSpot provides you with the option to choose between a one-time invoice or a recurring one based on your billing needs. Select an existing contact or create a new one, and start entering essential details. These include the invoice date, payment terms, and any relevant purchase order numbers you might have. It's crucial to ensure all these details are correct to avoid any payment delays or discrepancies. Next, let's talk about adding line items. Whether it's products or services you're invoicing for, you can add them from your product library or input them as custom line items if they aren't in your library already. Don't forget to set your currency and add applicable tax rates as needed. If you have any specific messages or comments for your customer, this is the perfect time to include them in the invoice. Another critical component to set up is your payment options. Decide if you want to enable direct payments through HubSpot by configuring this on the invoice. This feature can greatly simplify and speed up the payment process, making it a valuable addition to your invoice. Now let's dive into managing your existing invoices. Head back to the Invoice Index page where you can find all your drafted invoices listed. Simply click on the invoice name to explore the Actions drop-down menu provided by HubSpot. From here, you can edit invoices, explore the property history, duplicate or clone them, or even delete if necessary. Plus, if the need arises, you can associate contacts, companies, and payments seamlessly with these invoices, making use of HubSpot's powerful integration features. Finally, after creating your invoice, you have two choices for sending it. You can either send it to your customer manually, or allow HubSpot to take care of it automatically. HubSpot also offers the facility to track the status of each invoice you've sent out and manage payments effectively. Don't forget, if you receive payments outside HubSpot's payment system, you can manually mark those invoices as paid to keep your records up to date. This whole process ensures your invoicing system is efficient and organized, helping you focus on what matters most.